We have to think everywhere scientifically, spiritual scientifically, scientific temperament in spirituality, and spiritual scientific temperament in health and in life. So since I am a doctor, medical doctor, so I am focusing on health. But everything is interconnected. This will lead you for your in accelerating spiritual journey. So what is the Hindi of to understand first we will understand this health word. What is health? Health, Hindi of health word is swasth, swasth. If we explain the word meaning of swasth, it is स्वयं में स्थित. When one is centered in self, then only he can be healthy. Self-centered, self-stable. So if one wants to be healthy, he or she has to understand how to be centered in self. How we have to be stable in self. Many of us are focused outward. What is our social status? What is our, how is our home? How others think about me? These things will not help to become healthy. To become healthy, you have to be centered in yourself. Beside understanding health, let's understand the word disease. This is, whenever we are not at ease, it is disease. And a similar word is illness. In illness, there is I. If we are too much focused on I, me, my, mine, then illness comes. If instead of focusing on I, if we focuses on we, it becomes wellness. मैं, मेरा, मेरा धन, मेरा सामान, मेरी गाड़ी, मेरा घर, मेरा 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 मेरा, इसको छोड़कर हम हमारा सोचें. We, more will we think about we, it is easier to maintain wellness. So what are the 5 reasons of disease or illness? In our ancient literature, there are mention of 5 koshas: अन्नमय कोश, प्राणमय कोश, मनोमय कोश, विज्ञानमय, आनंदमय. Depending upon those 5 koshas, I am mentioning 5 reasons of disease or illness. The first reason is on Annamaya Kosha, physical reason. What types of food we eat, what is the hygiene, in which type of environment we are staying, is there plants in nearby to our home or inside our home. These physical things affects our health. Beside physical, there is energy, pranamay kosh. In energy there are 3 things: nadi, which is also known as meridian, chakras, and aura. We will see little bit more about these things one by one. First, we are understanding 5 reasons. Beside the energy, there we have mind, manomay kosh, mental body. What belief we are entertaining in our mind, which types of thoughts we have in our mind, that affects our body. 97% disease are psychosomatic. Psychosomatic means psycho means mind, soma means body. As the mind, so is the body. If there is false belief, negative thought pattern in your mind, then your body will catch the disease. If there is no negativity in your mind, no disease can enter in your body. Psychosomaticity, mind body medicine. More subtle than mind, there is karma. जैसा कर्म करेगा वैसा फल देगा भगवान, ये है गीता का ज्ञान। हमने सुना होगा, लेकिन इस कर्म को भी समझना बहुत बारीक बात है. We have to understand karma very minutely, in much detail. In our causal body, Vijnanmay Kosha, our karmas get stored. And higher than karma, we have soul, Atma. We are here on this planet Earth to learn lessons. There are 30 soul lessons. And one of those lessons, very important lessons, is patience. Whenever any person goes to hospital, how they are called patient. Whenever a person goes to doctor or a hospital, he becomes patient. The patient word is connected with patience. Every patient has to learn lesson of patience. This is one of the common lesson for every patient, for every person who is suffering from any disease or any illness. This is one of the soul lesson. We will focus more. Let's move ahead. Annamay Kosha, physical body. In our physical body, Annamay, physical body is made of food. Annamay Kosha is made up of अन्न. जो अन्न हम ग्रहण करते हैं, भोग लगाते हैं. खाना से ज्यादा अच्छा शब्द है भोजन, भोगना, भोग. अन्न का हम भोग लगाते हैं, भोग करते हैं. तो हमें प्लांट डाइट, वेगान डाइट लेना चाहिए. Plant diet is more suitable for our biological body. Number main thing. Number two, the latest medical science finding in the medical science says that more than 60% disease are due to inflammation in our gut, in our intestine. So plant diet are anti-inflammatory. Preferably among the plant diet, fruits and vegetables. Try to consume more and more numbers of fruits and vegetables in your food. The percentage, the content of fruits and vegetables should be maximum as possible. Try to consume more vegetables, more fruits, and our foods should be fresh as possible. Don't eat old food kept in the freeze. Due to the freeze technology, it is possible to sustain life of the food for a long time. But from the health point of view, it is not so good. The fresh food, the food which has been cooked today, that is the more better, that is the best for our body. Beside fruits and vegetable, try to have more juice, smoothies, sprouts, dry fruits, soup, and millets. Millets are better than cereals, rice, wheat. These days we are going through lockdown, so we are taking back only home cooked food. But when the situation is normal, even in those times, try to have home cooked food only, because there is vibration of love. We don't eat only the macro component, the micro component of the food, the love. And every homemaker, every housewife should play devotional music while cooking the food. Cooking should not be a mechanical act, it should be a devotional act. So these things will help to improve quality of our Annamaya Kosha.